Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to add borders in Microsoft Word. For that, you have to click on this design and at the last, you can see page borders. Just click on that and this tab will appear where you can select the border or page border or shadings. I'm going to select page border and then you have to select whatever kind of border you like. Even you can add box, shadows or 3D borders. Here is the line type. After selecting, you can add the width of the line or the color of the line. After applying everything, you can click on OK and this will be added. So this way guys, you can add borders in Microsoft Word. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and please subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.